Hey plant friends, it's Victoria and today we are going to be doing an unboxing. So I have a box here. I ordered from the Etsy seller The Green Escape, and this is the box. So I hope everybody made the journey. It's kind of difficult. Okay. Let's see. New plant care. Okay. Nothing there. So they're all nicely wrapped like this. And wow, it's really tall. So I ordered this calathea. I think the leaves are unlike any calathea I've ever seen. They have a border of just, it looks like stripes. And I hope that it can be fine and get acclimated. So that's the adult leaf. All the babies really don't have as exciting of a pattern. So here it is, literally just a little plug. My goal is to grow it into a very large plant. We'll see if that happens. Okay. Next, we have this very unique begonia, and it is very stuck to this paper. There we go. So I'm in love with this. I saw this and I just had to have it. So the undersides are entirely pink, and the fronts are this beautiful metallic, just hot pink. They're just beautiful. And of course, it's a cane begonia, which is my favorite right now, at present. There is one more plant to unpackage here. I honestly can't remember what it was or what it is. Wow. Here we have a pitcher plant and Nepenthes, and she's a little squashed. She's definitely gonna need a little time. And this one has unique pictures. So I already have a Bill Bailey and a hybrid of some kind. So I have two, and this one's my third. These are my favorite carnivorous plants because I don't know why, but they do really well with me. So I'll put their official names in the section below. So if you're curious, you can see what these look like. So there's going to be an acclimation period, of course, and from there, I look forward to their growth. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.